Hi, this is Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Take, and here in this video I'm going to talking with you about if you want to read any message in Instagram to your friends but you don't want to make it seen, that time it's really possible for you. And here there have a lot of tricks on it but it doesn't work, but here after just watching this trick you can do it, and here it's 100% work. So how to know about that, you need to watch this video till to the end. This is Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Take. So before starting this video, there are a request: if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video. Suppose whenever someone just send you a message like this, and whenever you just want to read this message from here, suppose, so from here guys, this is the message, it's seen to him. So here how I can make it unseen and read this message. So for that, here I need to go to in this Google Play Store, and from here you need to install an app in your mobile phone, and that app will be the recover deleted messages. So guys, you're hearing the exact. So from here you need to install it in your Android mobile phone, and after that here guys you need to agree it, and after that from here you need to choose the Instagram from here. So here it is guys, and here from you can also use WhatsApp, Messenger, whatever. Now click on this update app, now click on the enable, and from here I need to make it enable here. Now allow it. Now go to the back from here, and here guys you can see that this is my Instagram, and here after just making it you can also update it by just clicking on this manage apps. So I will start it here. So for that, first of all I will send a message to that specific person or from here. So here I just make it the hi, how are you, and here I just send it, and now I will make it seen that whether it's working or not. So from here I just go to in my Sajidz Take, and from here go to in this message, and here if I open it, that time it will be seen. So for that here guys I need to go to in these recover deleted messages. So from here whenever I just open it, that time I can see that hi, how are you, everything is there. If I prove it here that it is working or not, that time I just go to in this Sport World 2018, and from here I just go to there, and here from I can see that it's not seen by their specific receiver. So by that trick now you can also read others messages without make it seen in the Instagram, and it's really easy trick. But here guys you have to remember that this trick only work if you install this app, and after installing this app it will work, otherwise it will not work. So remember this guys. So guys, what's about the trick? Is it work in your mobile phone? That time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends, and so on. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.